I'm going to take my samples and set them on the bench here, and I'm going to put a little acid in each one of them and see what happens. Scout Crafter mentioned a jelly jar. Well, I don't have a jelly jar, but I do have this olive jar, and I think that might work. See if we can't get some in there. And I'd like to have it laying sideways so I get the top half of the sample up out of the acid, just to see what it does. But we'll give it a shot. Then I glued up this piece of PVC pipe, a couple caps on it. I know that'll work to allow me to put the acid in there and have the sample stick out of it. So I think these are my baseline, probably what I'll end up with. But also I'm curious to find out how that Tupperware box works, and I know the glass will work. So we'll give these a shot. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm just going to be sending out snippets. You know, piece here, piece there. Because I'm going to be working off my cell phone. I'm trying to get this stuff kind of something so you can see something and an idea what the progress is. So, stay tuned. There'll be more coming out. This is coming out early. There'll be probably snippets throughout the day. We'll try something a little new.